Hello, everybody, and welcome to Math Crash Course with Neil and friends. I'm Neil, and today we are going to be talking about exponential growth and decay.
So what is exponential growth and decay? Exponential growth is a mathematical change that increases without limit based on an exponential function.
While exponential decay is found in mathematical function where the rate of change is decreasing and thus must reach a limit, which is the horizontal asymptote of an exponential function.
Imagine a magical tree. It starts out small, but throughout time it grows and grows and grows without limit because it is a magical tree and it grows very fast. It grows in such a big way, hence, exponential growth, or you could say the tree is growing exponentially.
Your formula for exponential growth is P, which is your symbol for exponential growth, of T, which is your time, is equal to PO, which is your initial value of P, since it is the value of P of T when your T was equal to 0, times 1 plus R, which is your rate, all to the power of T, which is your time.
Example, the population in Egg City is increasing exponentially in an annual rate of 4.08%. At present, the population is 101,884. A. What is the population of the town 20 years from now?
So let's make our R equal to 4.08% or 0.0408. Let's make our PO equal to 101,884 and our T equal to 20 years. Now that we have our given, let's write down our formula. Now that we have our formula, we simply just have to substitute our given into the formula. Then once you do that, just simply multiply. Then boom, you get your answer, which is approximately 226,700.
Now, let's look at exponential decay. This time, let's imagine you see a beautiful girl, and let's say it is love at first sight. You try to be brave and go up to her and say hi. But when you do, you realize she's actually an old man. Then you start to fall out love with her at a very quick rate. Exponential decay is just like that. Your rate of love for her is decreasing, but it must reach a limit. Now, let's look at its formula and a problem so you can better understand.
So then, your formula for exponential decay is Q, which is your symbol for exponential decay, of T, which is your time, is equal to QO, which is your initial value of Q, since it is the value of Q of T when your T was equal to 0, times 1 minus R, which is your rate, all to the power of T, which is your time.
For example, Tristan bought a brand new sword worth 1.2 million pesos. Every year, the value of the sword decreases at 15% of its previous value. A. How much will the sword worth after 5 years?
So, let's make our R equal to 15% or 0.15. Let's make our PO equal to 1.2 million pesos and our T or time equal to 5 years. Now, let's write down that formula. Now that we have that formula, we simply just have to substitute our given into the formula. Then once you do that, just simply multiply. Then kapow! You get your answer, which is approximately 532,450 pesos after 5 years. Now, let's do a recap or important things to remember. But for this section, I want to do something a little bit different. I want you to read out loud what is being written on the board for exponential growth and decay, and I want you to give out your own definition for it so that you can easily remember it in case of any tests. Come on, you can do it. Don't be shy. Thank you everybody for watching the video. I hope you liked it and learned something new. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you join us next time for Math Crash Course with Neil and friends.